Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of Huawei, a brand that continues to make a formidable impact in the consumer electronics market. If you're a proud owner of the Huawei Nova9, we have something incredibly useful for you. We're going to discuss the Huawei Nova9 LCD replacement. Whether it's for a minor mishap, like a scratch from an everyday bump, or a major fall that resulted in a cracked screen, we'll break down everything you need to know about why having a replacement LCD is essential for your device's longevity and performance. But first, let's take a moment to appreciate the Huawei Nova9 itself. This smartphone is renowned for its sleek design, impressive performance, and user-friendly interface. Launched in late 2021, it features a stunning 6.57-inch OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, which means everything you do on the device is smooth and fluid. Add to that the powerful Snapdragon 778G 4G chipset, and you have a phone that competes with some of the best in the market. The camera capabilities are nothing short of spectacular. With a 50-megapixel ultra-vision camera and a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, capturing stunning photos and videos is a breeze. The device supports multiple photographic techniques, making it a favorite among content creators and casual snappers alike. Why you might need an LCD replacement. Now, let's get into the heart of today's topic: why you might need an LCD replacement for your Huawei Nova9. Accidents happen. Whether it's dropping your phone, carrying it loose in your bag, or even just regular wear and tear, a damaged LCD can happen to the best of us. Here are a few scenarios where an LCD replacement becomes essential. 1. Cracked screen. The most obvious reason is a cracked or shattered screen. A visible crack not only ruins the aesthetics of your device, but can also lead to further issues if not addressed promptly. 2. Unresponsive touchscreen. If you're experiencing areas of your screen that are unresponsive to touch, it could be due to internal damage. An LCD replacement might be the only way to restore full functionality. 3. Display issues. Are you seeing discoloration, dead pixels, or flickering? These issues can be caused by physical damage to the LCD panel. 4. Water damage. If your phone has been exposed to moisture, it may affect the LCD display even if there are no visible cracks. Moisture can seep into the internal components, leading to malfunctions. Benefits of replacing your LCD. When you opt for an LCD replacement, you're making a smart investment in the longevity and usability of your device. Here are some key benefits of replacing your Huawei Nova9 LCD. 1. Restores functionality. By replacing a damaged LCD, you can restore full functionality to your device, ensuring that you can use apps, make calls, and enjoy multimedia without any obstructions or performance issues. 2. Enhanced aesthetics. A new LCD means your screen will look as good as new. This can significantly increase your enjoyment and confidence using the device. 3. Improves resale value. If you're planning to sell or trade in your Huawei Nova9 down the line, having a pristine condition screen can command a higher price and more interest from potential buyers. 4. Cost-effective solution. Compared to buying a new smartphone, an LCD replacement is a cost-effective solution to extend the life of your current device. Now, for those of you who like to get hands-on, let's briefly touch on how to go about replacing the LCD on the Huawei Nova9. Please remember, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, it's always a good idea to take the device to a professional technician. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, the essential guide to Huawei Nova9 LCD replacement. Whether you're facing a cracked screen or other display issues, taking the step to replace your LCD can breathe new life into your device. Remember, always handle repairs with care, and when in doubt, consult a professional. Thanks for tuning in to our channel today. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and guides. Have you ever needed to replace an LCD? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of technology.